The last time that I showed you DIY detail water spot remover, I was really impressed when it comes to decontaminating paint and ceramic coating. I've been recommending this product for a very long time, but since that video, many of you guys have reached out. It was brought to my attention that water spot remover might leave protection or might leave hydrophobics even on bare paint. So in this video, we're gonna get to the bottom of that story. We're gonna find out if WSR leaves something behind on a freshly polished panel. So I hope you're ready. Let's jump right into it. This paint was clean, decon, polish, and we removed everything on it. I just got a last wash with Armor Detail Supply decon wash with pH 12. As you guys can see, I was working on another video. So there's a bunch of polishing stuff, machines, sandpaper out there. So this paint is truly polished, decon, like I said, fully stripped out. So let me show you the water behavior right now. Panel is really flat, slow sheeting if you give it time, which is normal behavior for clean bare paint, polished paint. So I hope you guys get a good view. You guys know what's going on. I'm gonna use the DIY water spot remover now. So DIY water spot remover, you guys can see it's the same stuff always. Give it a good shake, get a brand new clean microfiber towel. I'm gonna apply on, what is it, like half of the hood. I did what, like 4 or 5 sprays? Rub it thoroughly into the paint. Give it a rinse. Oh boy. Yeah, so the right side is very flat, very slow sheeting. Left side is beating like crazy. So you guys were right. So you guys in the comment that made me aware of this, we just have it confirmed. So let's give it a wash. A good thorough wash with Armor Detail Supply Decon soap. So no cuts, no edits. Let's rinse it. So that thing is even durable. That's bizarre. This is like the fourth wash. in here it's still there after 7, 8 wash. That's crazy. Yeah, took it out. So that's the DIY water spot remover, and this is polished. You can see fast sheeting, beading, very slow sheeting. Polished water spot remover. All right, so here we go. Day number 2, we're gonna do a final test with Meguiar's wheel brightener, an acidic or wheel acid, right? So I'm gonna refill my bottle here. So the DIY water spot remover side and the only polished side. Give it a wash now with Armor Detail Supply, Decon soap. Okay, so even though we washed it, we still have that super hydrophobic section here. All right, so wheel acid, we're gonna do it on that right section and leave the middle somewhat untouched. We're gonna rub it in the paint just like the water spot remover from DIY Detail. And I'm not putting acid on my hands. And I'm gonna throw this towel away right after this. So far, we still have slow sheeting, the same similar water behavior than before we used the acid itself. Some people are gonna ask, oh yeah, you have to neutralize the product afterwards. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna do. Wash the panel a second time. All right, so there you have it. Very, very slow sheeting if you give it time. Let's use the panel prep. All right, so we use the acid, we use the panel prep, we cleaned it with a decon soap, which is going to remove all the grease or the residues. So now we've been through pretty much everything here. Let's use the water spot remover a second time on that bare bone right side. 3 full sprays, clean towel. Beating like crazy. To me, it looks like there's a sealant, there's a protection product. It's not the roundest water beads that I've seen, but it's really spread out. It's really repelling water. It does not get flooded very much. It sheets the water really good. By the way, if you feel like I misled you by recommending the DIY Detail WSR, well, I'm really sorry. This is something I wasn't aware, I never really noticed. As usual on my channel, I'm really careful when it comes to recommending product. I'll tell you what I like, what I prefer, but straight recommendation, rarely do that. For WSR, I've had really great results using the product, so this is why I was recommending it. When you have a struggling ceramic coating, you just spray the product, apply it, and boom, the coating would come alive. So for me, I was just a believer. So again, if you feel like I misled you, I'm really sorry. So chemically speaking, we still don't know what's going on with this product. We just know what happens when we use it right. So if DIY Detail wants to clarify something, because many of you guys told me that you are expecting an announcement from DIY Detail to explain this, I'll let them do that on their side of things. So there you have it. I could wash this all day long. It was not coming off. So does it mean that the DIY water spot remover does not work? It probably does. I don't know. I can't prove that. But clearly, with all the evidence and the testing I've been doing, it seems like it's leaving something on the panel. What is it? Again, I can't prove anything, but the goal of that video was to go through the process and give you guys the footage, give you guys answers, as I promised to you in the previous video when you guys brought it up to me. So I think we've done pretty much everything. I'm gonna leave that information with you. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to check that first video on the best acid to know the full story of that video right here.